Welcome to video 6 of the hamburger method, the movement. All right, so you know what a jumping, I'm hoping that you know what jumping jack is. That's where you literally jump out and your arms go out and then they come and your legs come back in on the same time. So I can't jump at the moment because I'm injured. However, and so you could do 20 of those. You're basically, what you're looking for in all of these movements is that bouncing feeling. It's that bouncing feeling. That bounce is critical to this, about getting your diaphragm moving, and your diaphragm is what pushes lymph around your system. So another version of this is releves. So releves are calf raises is what the gym world calls them. So you're literally just coming up onto the balls of your feet and then you make it faster, so you end up bouncing. Quite often I will just bounce away like this in a corner, in a toilet. No one sees, but it means that I'm all of a sudden, my clarity of my thinking just goes through the roof. The focus comes in, and it's fabulous because I've done all of those other things in the hamburger method. So keep going. Or if you're seated, then the way you can do this is, again, you're looking for the bounce. And so the bounce comes, let me just wiggle myself back here. The bounce comes by pulling your arms down. I go through this in more detail in my TED talk as well. So you're wanting to sit down and you're wanting that bounce. Now, if you're able to, you can contract your glutes to help with that bounce as well. So you get it working together, and it really can. It raises your heart rate, folks. It raises your heart rate. It's fabulous. So enjoy this. Notice what you notice. What do you notice about your body afterwards? How much invigorated do you feel? Do you feel as though you're getting into that state where you are unstoppable? What's happening for you? We'll see you in the next video.